All right, hey everybody, I have an important and exciting announcement. This came in the mail, and that can only mean one thing. So I'm gonna go into this room and unbox the box and show you guys what's in here, because within this box, let me get the camera set up here, is an exciting announcement for Awana, and I want to take you through what's in this so that you can actually guess what the exciting announcement is. So let me get this camera set up and we will dig in. I think I actually just broke my tripod too, so this will be interesting. Hopefully you stay kind of just like that. You're a little shaky. All right, so here's the box. We got it in from Awana. I cut the top off and took a quick peek myself, but I wanted to take some things out and see if you can guess what the exciting announcement is. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna pull out, I don't wanna give this away too early, so the first thing I wanna pull out is this and show you the back of this. This is a CD, okay, that's good. The next thing I wanna pull out is this. Okay, I don't wanna show you this. This is a kid's activity book. You probably already know what it is by now, but I'm gonna keep going. We've also got a big thing of stickers here as well. We've got a teacher's Big Truths for Kids to Know teaching plan book right here. And this is gonna give it away. This is gonna give it away. Well, maybe not. We've got a series of finger puppets that just came in. I will put these on for you. All right, you might not be really familiar with these people, so I'm gonna start off with this one. Boom, right there. Boom, number 2. Number 3, and then last but not least, number 4. There they are. We got a thing of finger puppets as well. We've also got this guy. Boom. By now, you've got to know what the announcement is. And then I'm going to hold up the last few things. This is a 2T size. It says Puggles on the front. This is the announcement. Awana 2020 at Canopy Roads. We are launching our Puggles Club. It's a new club. We've never had one of these before. And this club is specifically for kids ages 2 to 3 years old. If you know of families that have young kids, or maybe you even put your own kid in the Cubbies Club here, you know how awesome it is. It's 3 and 4 year olds. This one is actually for the years below them. This is a younger club, and we're excited to start it. My wife, Lindsay Wester, is going to be the director, and she's currently looking for some new volunteers that want to serve this age group and have some fun with kids during the Awana hour and a half that we have on Sunday evenings. So if you're interested in that, reach out to her. Her email is lindsay.wester1@gmail.com. And if you've got kids and you want to put them in, we encourage you to do that. If you know of families that have kids ages 2 to 3, that would be perfect for this. Let them know, hey, Canopy Roads has a Puggles Club starting this fall 2020. Just wanted to create this video and create a little bit of buzz, a little bit more buzz about what's going on. So be sure to just help us spread the word, and we look forward to having you sign up this year and seeing you in a few weeks.